We'll guide you through how to choose between Wix and Squarespace to make the best decision for building your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to both the Wix and Squarespace websites to get a feel for each platform's interface and offerings. With Wix, you'll notice a highly customizable editor that allows you to drag and drop elements freely, which is perfect if you want full creative control and flexibility. Squarespace, on the other hand, offers beautifully designed templates that are more structured, which is great if you prefer a more guided and streamlined design process. Now, consider what kind of website you're building. If you're planning an online store, both platforms offer e-commerce capabilities, but Wix provides a more extensive app market for adding features, whereas Squarespace integrates e-commerce more seamlessly into its core design. For blogging, Squarespace shines with its built-in blogging tools that are easy to use and aesthetically pleasing. Think about your budget too. Wix offers a free plan with Wix ads and several premium plans that can adapt as your site grows. Squarespace doesn't have a free plan, but its pricing includes all features without needing extra apps. Finally, evaluate the support you might need. Wix has a robust help center and community forums, while Squarespace provides 24/7 email support and live chat during weekdays. Always take advantage of the free trials offered by both platforms to test them out with your own content. This will give you a first-hand experience of which platform feels more intuitive and aligns better with your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.